Hello friends, I'm your host Saurabh from Techno. Today I'm going to give you review on Gionee Elif S5.1 device. This device run on Android 4.4.2. It comes with the 1.7 GHz MT6592V/W octa-core processor. Screen size of this device is 4.8 inch. Back camera is 8 megapixel with flash and front camera is 5 megapixel. Battery in this device is 2100 mAh and this device comes with 4G LTE, means you can also run 4G through this device. Okay friends, now I'm going to open this box and will show you what inside this box. It is a smartphone, nice looking. It is the back cover, nice. Now I'm going to show you other things. It is charging adapter, it is charging cord, it is earphone. Now I'm going to keep everything in a box like it. Just a second. Yeah, what else? It is also a cover. What it is by using this small device we can eject sim card slot, and it is OTG cable, it is user guide, yeah, it is warranty card, it is Gionee service center list. These are 1 2 3 4, yeah, 4 screen guard, nice. Okay friends, these are the some things which we found inside this box. Now I am going to tell you the about device. You can see this device, it is very thin device. You can see I'm just showing you side by side. Yeah, you can see here side by side. Okay friends, uh, you can see here like this on from the front and from the back. You can see it's a very good device. Okay friends, on the bottom side you can find here, you can insert charging cord here, or you can also sync your data from a smartphone to laptop after insert this wire. Yeah, this wire to laptop. Okay friends, after it is 3.5 audio jack. By it you can listen songs, or you can also take a call through this headphone. Yeah, on the left hand side it is volume rocker key. By it you will increase and decrease the volumes, and this small button is by it you can on and off this device, and you can also lock and unlock the device. On the back hand side you can see this is the camera with flash, nice logo of Gionee. It is a speaker bottom side. Yeah, these are the captive touch screens, nice device. You can see very thin. Yeah, now I'm just going to open the device. You can see very good color. Yeah, its home screen is very good. Okay friends, now I'm going to setting area and we will see what inside there. We go to setting area. Yeah, inside setting area, here there are two tabs here. One is quick settings and here is all settings. In quick setting we find on the top WLAN, means Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, ringtone display. Yeah, you can see here display, font size, screen lock, and system updates. And inside all settings what we found on the top: airplane mode, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, data usage, more wireless, sound and vibrate, display, security, location, battery, storage, apps, smart gesture. It's the motion sensor things, date and time, schedule, power on and off, schedule, airplane on and off, language and input, system backup and reset, accessibility, printing, and about phone. Inside the about phone area on the top, yeah, I'm just zooming it for you. System update, after it status, model number is Gionee S5.1, Android version 4.4.2. Yeah, these are some things inside of phone status area. Now we will check inside the storage and we'll see what is the storage or capacity of this device. phone capacity is 16 GB and system capacity here it is showing 6.33 GB and phone storage capacity is 9.67 GB. Phone free is 12.22 GB and system free is 2.62 GB and phone storage free is 9.60 GB. Okay friends, these are the some things inside the storage. Now I'm going to tell you my one of the favorite area, it is smart gesture. Inside the smart gesture you have, it is off, you for to use this smart gesture feature you have to just keep it on like it. Now it is on the top you can see a smart dial, after it a smart answer. I like this mode very much because uh, once it is written here, pick up the phone to your face so it will answer the incoming call automatically. It means ki if there is a call and you want to pick that call, you have to just keep this smartphone near to your ear, so you will automatically pick the call. So this is a very good feature in the smart gesture area. Apart from it, one is pause alarm. You have to just flip back like it, then alarm will be off. Double click, wake quick operating, and a smart remind. Yeah, these are the some good features inside the smart gesture area which I like very much. Okay friends, now I'm going to tell you about the camera which I like very much inside. We are in the camera area. You can see here, before showing you our before showing some images, I'm going to tell you the settings inside the camera. On the top, yeah, I'm just zooming it for you. On the top we find HDR, means high definition. After it, auto sense, sound, geo tagging, capture normal, capture mode, self timer, picture size, volume keys, and anti-banding. These are the some things inside the camera. Now I'm just going to back. And what else inside the camera? Nothing. Now I'm going to show you some images which I clicked during our review time. This is the one of the image. Yeah, you can see one image. This is the second image. You can see I'm just zooming it, and it's giving me the very good detailing of the image. You can see in the video another image. You can also see here Friday. It's how visible it is, and I'm just going to decrease it. Yeah, again picture, you can also see very good picture here. You can see in this picture it's giving very good detailing of the picture. You can see here in this picture, you can also see very good detailing of the picture. So friends, in the reviewing of this device, I like its camera very much. I like now I'm going to tell you some preloaded apps of this device. There are few preloaded apps like Facebook, Twitter. Others are like system manage, no. Yeah, these are the some preloaded apps in the device. Now what are inside the games? Inside the games we find Uno and Friends, Real Football, Spider-Man. These are the some preloaded games in this device. Okay friends, now I'm going to tell you the notifications area of this device. For the notifications, yeah, inside the notification on the top we find alarm, after it is screen size, after it auto rotate, general, meeting, GPS, Bluetooth, airplane, Wi-Fi, data connection settings, guest mode, timeout, and more. Yeah, these are the some things inside the notifications area. Okay friends, in the reviewing type, I like this phone. It is a very good device, and its battery backup is also too good. It's not too bad. It's I like because I use this device on the daily basis, and I'm giving the review this device after use this device personally after 15 to 20 days. And and the battery backup of this device is near about 18 to 20 hours after using WhatsApp, after using Facebook, and after getting some emails in this device. Okay friends, I have done with my review. If you have any question or query, you can mail me at my email ID. It is technuter@gmail.com, or you can write here in comment area. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. It is Technuter. Don't forget to like this video, and don't forget to share this video on social media. Sayonara, bye, and take care. Thank you.